Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be traveling from Mumbai to Kolkata in the Vistara Airlines. So other descriptions are in the description box about my flight. So yeah, we reached the Mumbai Airport Terminal 2 and I told my Uber driver to drop me at the Vistara entrance, and you can do accordingly according to your flight name. And now you will be heading towards the airport entry, and where you have to show your Aadhaar card and the e-ticket which you booked from the internet or anywhere else. So I booked from cleartrip.com, so I'll be printing the e-ticket given by them. So yeah, you have to carry the documents properly so as to avoid chaos. So in the entry they see the Aadhaar card for your validation, photo identity, and the e-ticket for your flight details. So we are like taking out the documents, and you can see how beautiful the airport is. And now we are into the line, and let's show the documents, and we came inside. Now you have to search for your particular Vistara or any airways counter. So the important documents you need to carry is the e-ticket, the final vaccination certificate, RT-PCR report if needed, also the web checking printout, and the student's ID card if it is a student validation required. And that's it, you can like travel. So yeah, there is this self check-in service also available. If you do not have any check-in baggage, you can do this self checking thing, and you can take your boarding pass accordingly. This machine is available in front of the counter of your flight. So yeah, we had the baggages, but we took the like boarding pass from the self check-in center because the center is not yet open. It will be opened in few minutes because we reached very early. This is the Qatar counter, Qatar Airways counter, and like we are waiting in the line. There are few instructions written on the television. We now gave the baggages, and we already had the boarding pass, so we showed the boarding pass and she was signing. And if you have not taken the boarding pass, they will give the boarding pass there, and which is the most important thing you have to carry in the further journey. Now you can see the beauty of the Mumbai airport, and now we are heading towards the security check, which is the most important thing. And yeah, the cabin baggage is like checked here. So yeah, we are heading towards the security check. You can like see the arrows and move accordingly. You will be like in the correct place. And now we just completed the security check. Avoid any metallic things in the cabin baggage so as to avoid rush, because we had some jewelries and safety pins, so it had a problem. We have to take out everything and then recheck the things. So yeah, now we are heading towards the gate which is 47. So yeah, we will find out the arrows, and now we will move accordingly. There are each and everything clearly written and mentioned in the boards above. Kindly follow the boards and you will move accordingly. So yeah, now we are, after the security check is completed, I am going towards my gate, and now yeah, heading towards that. You can see there are many hotels, and I would not prefer to eat from them because they are way too much costly. Rather bring non-liquidy food from your home, like biryani or fried rice or sandwiches. And yeah, now you can see this like this eases the walking thing. And like yeah, I don't know what this is called. This is the, I guess, runway. No, not runway, sorry, I don't know what it is called. Walkway. I don't know. So yeah, so it is like morning time, so very less people are there around the airport. So yeah, we are traveling there, enjoying. You can see vada pav, literally 228 rupees. Are they mad? Like 10 rupees ka vada pav is 228. It's way too much. मैं 20 रुपये भी ना दूँ. So now let's sit in the gate. We reached the gate number 47 and we are sitting there, and you can see the airport is almost empty because it's early morning, 4 o'clock. So yeah, I made few reels because it was empty. Reels obsession. So now you can see this chips counter where you can put your money, and you can use your UPI modes also, and you can take out your chips as of your wish, or cold drinks. Yeah, so now we are like done with the waiting time, and now we are heading towards the flight Vistara to board our flight. This is the departure gate. So yeah, there we have to show the boarding pass, which is the main from now, and now we are heading towards the flight. Yeah. So we weren't told anywhere to show the RT-PCR or the complete vaccination report. I don't know why, like we wasted 3,000 on that RT-PCR, because it was written it is required for passengers traveling from Mumbai, Pune, Chennai to Kolkata. I don't know why they did not check it. I think it will be checked in the Kolkata airport maybe. So let's see in the further vlog. So now we are into the flight Vistara. Whoa, you can see the people inside, and you can see the other Vistara flights outside. So yeah, we are in our seat, and you can see the check-in baggages are in like are going into the flight. Yeah, So that's it. What can I tell more? The temperature and the weather conditions are good there in Mumbai. So yeah, we are ready for the departure. Yahoo! Hello Kolkata, I'm coming. So yeah, we just departed. There are some important informations before you are traveling anywhere. So you should like be sure about the guidelines, the state-wise guidelines available in the website. Also in Vistara, they provided us with the meal, which was actually not mentioned in the ticket. So they provided us with versimile and idli. Yeah, the idli was good. And also cookies. And they also gifted us a wow shampoo while we were getting out of the flight in the arrival to Kolkata. Hello, Kolkata. After 2 years. So yeah, now we are heading towards the exit gate. So there is another walkway to avoid walking so much. Yeah, in the Kolkata airport. So still we weren't asked for any RT-PCR report or any vaccination or Shandhan app, something registration or Arogya Setu app, etc. So yeah, now we are going to the baggage picking, check-in baggage picking part where it was told as 8. It is told in the flight itself, and do not forget to take the cabin baggages from your flight if it is kept above. Yeah, so now let's pick up the bag from the baggage like this truck. We have to wait and then yeah, then leave for the journey to my home from Kolkata to my native place. Yeah, so we got our baggage finally, and now we are getting out, and still no RT-PCR and anything was asked. I don't know why we just wasted our money. So the thing was asked is e-ticket, boarding pass, and Aadhaar card, which is the most important thing. Thank you guys. Bye bye.